Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable baby care mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the apps icon, and from the following view let's choose profile. From profiles let's choose baby care. As you can see, this mode creates a comfortable environment for infants. As you can see, you can read information here. So air condition will be on, the temperature will be set to 25 degrees, fan speed level will be 2, multimedia volume will be at 8, and it will also use the air outlet mode. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.